A little change for 2019. Hi, I'm Julie, keeper of my home. Welcome back to my channel. Last night at about 6 or 7 o'clock, I decided to change things around. It was literally a spur of the moment decision. I was walking into our living room and I turned and looked at my husband and said, "How about we move things around?" And he looked at me and said, "When are you talking about?" I said, like right now while I'm thinking about it, let's just move things. We were both in our PJs, ready for bed. It's New Year's Day. We had just lounged pretty much all day. And he looked at me like I was crazy, but he said, "Okay, if that's what you want to do, tell me where to start." Yeah, I love that man. So we rearranged things, we moved things around, and let me tell you, if you are lacking motivation, if you need inspiration, change things around, move something, rearrange your furniture, just change a small corner in your room, your bedroom, your dining room, your living room, anywhere, a small vignette. Change out your curtains, change out your magazines, change out some pictures. Just do something different. It feels so good. It is so motivating. It just boosts you for what else am I gonna do? What can I do next? Where can I go? What can I change? What can I clean? It's the best motivation out there, I feel. I love it. I love change. I love cleaning, I love organizing, I love moving things around, and so we did. And you will see. So let's get into the video.
What if I open my soul? Here I stand by myself on my own. What if I lose all control and take a step out into the unknown? Oh, oh, oh. What do I know? What's going on now? Is this another breakdown? You and me, should I let go? I do really want
come my way. Here I go, this time I'll let it go. I never listen to what others say. So come and see, no matter what I do, head first into this hurricane. Yes, I know, head high, let it go, but it hits me like the pouring rain. Oh, can't seem to fight this feeling, no matter what you call it. I only know that I got it bad. Whoa, can't stop it if I want it, no matter what you call it. I only know that I got it good. Was all alone on a one-way track, nothing ahead and there was no way back. So I tried, yes I tried, you can go running high when your wall begins to crack. It's pretty clear when we're standing here, so what am I supposed to do? I'm at ease, baby, please let go, have no fear, cause I'm head over heels with you. I said, whoa, can't seem to fight this feeling, and no matter what you call it, I only know that I got it bad. No, can't stop it if I want it, and no matter what you call it, I only know that I got it good. I felt it from the start, while picking up the pieces from a broken heart. Here I stand once again, with my heart in the palm of my hand. And no matter what you call it, I only know that I got it bad. No, can't stop it if I want it, and no matter what you call it, I got it bad. No, and no matter what you call it, I only know that I got it good.
This is the finished product. I left the table there, but I put a basket with some children's quilts and books in it underneath, and a picture above. It's quite a large picture. We bought it at an antique shop. I love this picture. Isn't it great? I think it frames out that wall well. We have the fire going. I still have some Christmas decorations, but I kind of like the lights up there. The cabinet over there. I added a picture. And the sofa is there with the trunk in front. And the other chair. And the other side, I did leave the little table here, and the chair, and the love seat. You know, this love seat, my sister found this on the side of the road with a free sign on it. All we had to do was reupholster it. What a find. See the little light we have? It's a lantern that my husband got for me. I love it. I think it's a perfect little spot for it. And of course above the Let's see, we have the cute little lamp, little sconce. And we can't forget Holly. Her bed got displaced from where it was. She's not real thrilled, but she is next to the cook stove, and that she loves. This is the dining room. Ended up putting that table back in here. This is the original home of the dining room, actually. When we built the house, I built this room specifically to be used as a dining room. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of everything. I'd love to hear some comments. Yes, we do still have gifts. We have some grandchildren that live downstate and they haven't come up yet. They're coming up this weekend, so we'll do Christmas with them then. So what do you think? Did you enjoy it? Do you like the changes? I really want to hear some feedback below, so you better leave me some comments. I hope you enjoyed my video. Subscribe if you haven't, and please give me a thumbs up if this is a video that you enjoyed. And until next time,